Morning guys, May 20th, 2026. Then we're gonna call from a guy I used to work for. I worked for him quite a bit, him and his wife over the years. Now I guess his daughter's in charge over there. He had died and the old lady's getting old now and losing her flipping marbles, losing her memory a little bit, so the daughter's handling everything. And got an American Standard furnace over there and an older air conditioner. She says the outside unit's not running. So, I don't know if it tripped the breaker or what's going on, but no AC. So, we'll go over there and she's an older lady. I don't know how much longer she's going to be with us. And last time I was there, she didn't remember who I was, so it's like, oh yeah. Sucks to get old, you know. She's probably in her 90s. But anyway, she's probably enjoying the warm weather instead of, you know, they don't like the AC. But I'm gonna go over there and take care of it for her. The old guy he was a good guy. But shit happens, I guess, you know. We all eventually we all end up passing, and not easy. Enjoy your life. Enjoy each day, you know, that's the best you could do. You never know. Make the best of it. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there. I know it's going to be flipping dark and dingy down there to see what's going on with the flipping. I don't know what the filter looks like there. Hopefully it's not too bad. Older lady like this, you don't want to spend a lot of money because, you know, they probably ain't got a lot. Daughter's handling the bills, and she don't want to see a big bill. We'll see. We'll see if we can get it going for her. Fan's working. I think it had a... You had a washable one in here. That's good. That's good enough. Fan's working, so the outside unit's not working, I don't think. That's good enough for this neighborhood. The old American Standard, y'all. The old American Standard. What do we got there? 2 ton. The old lady don't remember me. Alright, we'll check it outside, see what this going on with it. Look at this flipping hack job. Flipping hack job from hell. New 14-inch wide unit. Back in the day. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Mode. Put on cooling, yeah. Cooling on, April there. Then on off. That should be on, I think. Yeah, that's on. You're not running though. I could hear it trying to start. The capacitor's bad. I could hear it trying to start. Capacitor's bad. Did you hear it? Did you hear it do the old... Did you hear it do the old hum? It's a humdinger. She's an old humdinger, mama. She's an old humdinger. Capacitor's bad. That would be the best case scenario for this lady. We got here. There's no flipping critters in this sucker. The old humdinger. Flipping weeds from hell here. Flipping weeds from hell. Flipping weeds from hell. I could hear it go, eh, eh. You know what that means. The old death gurgle. That's what you call that, the old death gurgle. Got the disconnect pulls. Let's hope that's all it is. Oh yeah. She's Puff City, Mama. She's Puff City. What's our problem? Little Puff City. Should be able to put some notes in there. What do we got there? A 35.5. That's a real fat one. They get something a little smaller than that, I think. 35.5. Little Puff City, Mama. I got a different strap here if I got something smaller. 35.5. There we go, right there, Mama. That's gonna be. Oh yeah, that'll be the one. All right, so we got the fan is the brown. No, that's the fan. This one here is the fan. Gotta make sure these fit on there tight. Alright, the next one is the Herm, which is this orange one. I checked the power was. This is the Herm, this is the outer one. And then the common will be the middle one. The two middle ones is the common. Fan is the purple, and then the contactor is the red. From the red, and then the purple. Make sure everything's on there good. And we'll strap it in and we'll give it a how you doing. We'll see what happens with it. Should be fine. That should work. The old college try, Mama. I'll give it the old college try. Oh, that's good. It ain't going nowhere. Will it run? Yeah, puffball. What do you think? I'm thinking it's going to. I guess we'll find out, won't we? Are you ready? Are you ready, Freddy? We'll see what the hell happens here. Oh, the fan's not spinning. Fan's not spinning. So maybe that capacitor, the fan's bad. Maybe that's why it popped blue. Might have a bad fan there. Yep, thing's bound up. Oh, it just freed it up, Mama. It was bound up. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try it again. From sitting, right? Here it goes. From sitting, maybe. I'm gonna let her know. See what she wants to do. Knowing her, I mean, the old lady's on her last flipping legs here. I'm sitting all flipping winter, maybe. As soon as I hit the fan, she freed right out. Right, you want to spend a lot of money in this old equipment. I mean, you don't know how long it's going to last. I'd let it go. If it was me. I mean, if the fan was all bound up, that's different, but it was just stuck. I hit it, freed right up. We'll talk to the daughter, see what she wants to do. I mean, this is an older unit. You don't want to start spending all kinds of money on it, flipping compressor dies. Me, I'd let it go. Running. Nice and sweaty there. Yeah. Coming out warm. Alright guys, I talked to the daughter about that fan on that condenser, and you know, as soon as I hit it, it freed right up. So I told her if it was me, I'd let it go, and you know, it might be okay. Just might have been froze up from sitting all winter, you know. I mean, it's an older unit. You don't want to start spending all kinds of money over there. The old lady's getting ready to go in a nursing home or move in with her daughter, you know. So I told her if it was me, I'd just let it ride, and I told her, tell the people that are there watching her, if the AC's not working, to shut it off right away. And that's what they'll do. They'll shut it off. it don't work, they'll shut it off and call me. You know, might eventually have to put another motor in there, condenser fan motor, but you go and put all that condenser fan motor money and labor into that thing, and the compressor dies or something, you're throwing good money to bad. I've done that before. Older shit systems like this, you know, you start changing parts in the flipping thing. It's a special flipping motor or something. It looked like a little tiny one. You know, you spend $400 or $500, put another motor in the flipping thing, and then the compressor dies in a couple of days or a week, and you need a new system. You're kind of throwing good money to bad. So it's one thing to put a capacitor in it. It's one thing to put a capacitor in it, but you start putting big price items in there, sometimes it don't make sense. That's what the homeowner wants to do. Let it ride. So that's what we're gonna do. Not my money to spend, right? I ask her, see what she wants to do, and we go with that. As long as we're on the same page. I mean, up where I am, you know, it's 90 today, but then tomorrow's gonna drop down to 65. It doesn't get that flipping hot that much. Old lady probably wants me to run the heat this time of year. What are you talking about?